So I want to talk a little bit about the next assignment that you'll have. It's going to be using a 3D modeling software to design a name tag. So the screen you're looking at right now is the parameters that I've set for this project. Don't want your name tags to be too large or too small, so they need to fit within this uh, rectangle right here that I've created, this cube, if you will. So if you look at it, it's going to be 30 millimeters in width, 8 millimeters in thickness, and 50 millimeters in length. So we have our length, our thickness, and our width. Um, it can be a rectangle or it can be anything else. You do not have to make a rectangle, though a lot of people have chosen to do that. I want you to think outside the box or rectangle and think of some other kind of design that you can make that fits within this. As long as it fits within this and isn't larger than this, then you're good to go. So with that said, I want to show you a couple examples of ones that people have designed and made. Right here is a couple that people have made. As you can see, a lot of the people in the class made the cube one, but there is a pyramid one. So, and then after they were printed, they look like so. These ones just happen to be printed in pink. Okay, the software that we're going to be using to make the name tag is called Autodesk 123D. If you look on your desktop, the icon is a little upside down triangle. If it's not there, go down here to your startup menu and see if you can find it in here. You might just type 123 and it should pull it up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Okay, and while that's opening, I'm going to go ahead and show you one that I've been working on. It's right here. This is our work area within the program. Alright, so here it is. It opened up, and I want to go start a new project. The reason why we're using this 123D design software instead of like SketchUp or some other software is number one, it's easy to use. Number two, it lets you export files to 3D print format. So our MakerBot printer only prints, well, using certain formats, and this lets us save and export our keychain as an STL format, which is the format that the MakerBot uses. SketchUp can do that, but you have to get the premium version of SketchUp. So I just decided that we're going to use this one for this project. Alright, so a couple things about it. Up here on the left, you can click on the little triangle or this drop down arrow, and they open up the same menu. You can open up new projects, you can save, and you can export. So those are the main things we'll be using here is new, save, and export. Alright, up top you have some tabs, and when you hover over them, they tell you what they are, and they do a little drop down. So this one is primitives, meaning just basic shapes, and you can hover over them and see what they are. The next thing is sketch, if you want to sketch your own design. Construct has to do with modifying a 3D feature, and modify as well. So these two kind of go hand in hand, this construct and modify. Pattern, grouping, combine, and so on and so forth. Text, so that's another one. The main ones you're going to be using are primitives, sketch, construct, and text. Alright, so with this program there's more than one way to do things. So for right now, I just want you to get in the program, kind of look at what there is to offer within it, and save it, and then the next videos I'll show you different ways to make your keychain. So before you go on the next videos, save this. You'll drop down an arrow, go save, just save to my computer. And then go ahead and click on your documents. So mine's on my desktop right now, but you want to go to your documents and then save it as your name tag, and go ahead and just save that. And then after you've saved it, keep it up, don't close out of it, go back into Canvas and watch the next video.